Hello guys, welcome to another vlog, another day. So this is a part 2 of bridge tour. I have divided this video into 2 parts because the video was becoming too long, so I divided it into 2 parts. So this is part 2. If you want to see the first part of this video, the link is in the I button. You can just click and go in the part 1 video. So let's start part 2. Okay, so now if we come here in this console, we have, let's make it brighter. Okay, so here we have telegraph. So as I was saying, you have seen the old movies, they were telling about steering, so they used to also tell about the telegraph. So in the videos, the telegraph is also very big, so you have to move it like this.
On the head full, Mr. Moody. Very good, sir.
But here the telegraph is also very small. You just have to press and move it ahead. If you want to put dead slow ahead, just move it ahead, slow ahead, half ahead, full ahead, nav full. And same goes with the other way, like dead slow astern, slow astern, half astern, full astern. So this is a very small console. From here we give the telegraph orders. So these are the gears of our ship. So from here we increase the speed. We set the RPM, we can set the RPM from here. We can adjust the telegraph settings also from here. This is the main engine console, so whatever is happening, it will come here. Okay, so some gauges are here. These are for the main engine air pressure, and this is RPM. Okay, so here we have different type of telephones. This is normal telephone, this is sound powered telephone, this is battery telephone. Okay, so here we have a whistle controller. We can set the whistle on auto, so the whistle will keep on sounding after the set period of time. So this is the alarm console. This I think you have already seen. This is public announcement system. You have already seen in the previous video where I have posted it for time zones. I was making an announcement for advance and retard. If you haven't seen the video, the link is in the description or in the I button. You can just click on the video and you can see the time zone video. Okay, so this is the UHF. This is the main UHF panel. We can, if we do not have the walkie-talkie, we can switch it on and we can hear it from here. Okay, so this console here, this is BNWAS. This is Bridge Navigational Watch Alarm System. So every 12 minutes it gives alarm if nothing is operated on the bridge and nobody is moving on the bridge. So this will give alarm to alert the person, alert the watchkeeper if something is there, like if the person has fallen or person has fallen, he's unconscious. So this alarm helps. This is a safety feature. So if after 12 minutes also nobody is accepting this alarm, so this will give alarm in the next backup. So backup officer here is captain, chief officer, second officer, third officer. So in their cabin they have a small console of BNWAS also there where the alarm rings. So I have already shown you that console in my previous video. Okay, now we go further. So if we come here, we have many switches and alarm indicators and many things are there. So we come here is a general and fire alarm. This is a call point. So here we can just push and the alarm will ring, fire alarm. This is the main console of fire alarm. So all the alarms, the list of alarms are there. So flame detector and smoke detector, whatever is activated, it comes here in the display so that the duty officer or the navigational watchkeeper can read out and they can identify where the alarm is coming from. So they know the location where actually the fire is and where the smoke is detected. So these are some of the alarm indicators. So whatever the alarm is coming, the light will start ringing. This is the general emergency alarm button. So if we switch it on, the alarm will start ringing on the ship. Before the drills and during the emergency we use this. Okay, so this is the console of lights. So the lights, as you can see in the diagram, this is all the numbers are marked, right, and everything is written on the panel also. So if we switch it on, the lights are on the deck or they are on the alleyways, A deck, B deck, C deck, outside, everywhere the lights are there. So this is covering all the ship. This is the main console of lights on the Christmas tree. So on top we have some lights, right? So these are the switches of that light. This is the console of navigational light. So forward light, aft light, port side light, starboard side light, stern light, anchor light. So all the navigational lights we can switch it on and switch it off from here. This is VDR control, voice data recorder. You can say it black box also. So this is the remote control. So from here we can set the time period, date for which we have to extract the data. Okay, so this is eco sounder. So this works on a sonar principle. Right now the depth under the keel of the ship is 38.7 meters, so it is showing that. And this is the printer of eco sounder. This is the console of steering gear system. So we have two steering motors. So this is system 1, this is system 2. We switch it on alternate days. So we have finished here. So let's move little forward. So this is the bridge wing entrance or exit, whatever you want to say. So as you can see, this is our bridge wing. It's already night time. The vessels are anchored over there. That one, you see the in between, that white part, that is the gyro repeater. So on port side we have one gyro repeater. On the other side, on the starboard side also, we have one gyro repeater. Let's go inside. I will show you inside first because it's already dark, you cannot see outside. And now we move here. We have these binocular. This is the big one, telescopic binocular. We have small binoculars here. And we have the console. These are the switches for wiper. I will show you one. See, this wiper is working, so we can operate it from here. Here we have VHF number 1 and VHF number 2. We have two VHF on board. So repeater of that VHF is also in the CCR, cargo control room. So right now we are on channel 11 and channel 16. Channel 16 is for distress and channel 11 is for dampier. This is the push button for Banwas resetting the alarm. So I just show you that bridge navigational watch alarm system. We can reset the button here also. This is the repeater. This is gyro repeater. One more. This is at the midship inside the bridge. One is there outside the bridge at the bridge wing on the port side, and one is there on the starboard side. So here the logs are recorded. So this is log. So these are the logs. Okay, this is VHF, already shown you. This is the another binoculars. The couple of binoculars are there. So this is the heater for if we go to cold places. One extinguisher is here. This is the exit of starboard side bridge. So another gyro repeater is there. We have funnel there, and this is our bridge wing. We also have this hygrometer on both the sides, so we can take the temperatures dry and wet. We have on the starboard side also, we have on the port side as well. So let's close this door and we move aft. So this is our cabinet, small cabinet for flags. So we have different flags here. As you can see, we have different numeral flags and pendants. Country flags are also kept, that is on the other side. We have GMDSS walkie-talkies in case of emergencies, your normal walkie-talkie. We have some garbage bins. We have this LDIS lamp. So this is also called daylight signaling lamp. This looks like this, and we can use this like this. So this is a portable one. So we have a couple of garbage bins also. This is for paper, this is for plastic, this is for domestic waste and cans. This is for mask, COVID mask. So this I have already shown you. This is small pantry. This is our GMDSS panel. This is SATC, this is NBDP, this is MFHF. So this console is for distress communication.
The distress call. Tell whoever responds that we're going down by the head and need immediate assistance.
So whenever we are at sea, we completely depend on this for emergency, distress, urgency, safety messages, whatever communication we have to do, we do it from here. We can do it from other means also, but this is the primary means for communication in case of any emergency, distresses and all. So we can receive distress, we can send distress also from here. So this is our small chart table. Some charts are here. This is our chart table. This is our logbook. So every hour we log everything here in this logbook. These are some files. This is passage plan file. This is a routing chart. If you see under the logbook, we have a routine chart. So this covers the current area. So this is our routing chart right now. These are some logbooks, old logbooks. These are current logbooks, radar logbooks, VHF logbooks, maneuvering book. These are the flag logbooks. Okay, so this console is for cargo. So this is a repeater. So we can see the tank parameters, so cargo tank number 1, 2, 3, 4. We can check it from here also. This is cargo tank number 1, so all the parameters are there, temperatures, pressures, and many parameters are there. Engine parameters are also there, compressor parameters are there, so we can check everything from here as well, from CCR as well, and from engine control room as well. This is our normal working PC, as you have already seen this in my previous videos. So whatever the work we are doing, this navigational officers, we are doing it from here. This is a printer, this is a satellite phone, this console is for master, so master is working here in this console. If you see here, if you come here, we have couple of publications here related to navigation and cargo operations. This is a big wooden cabinet with couple of files and publications. That was it. I think that was a good explanation of bridge, what all equipments are there. So this was the good time to explain, so that's why I got my GoPro here and I explained all the equipments, what all equipments are there. Actually I tried this before also, but due to some problem this video was not exported properly, so I made it again. And I have also tried this on my chest, this GoPro, for the first time. So let's see what happens, how the video comes out to be. Stay tuned for more such videos. I will try to shoot more and more videos before my sign off. So in another 1 month I'll be signing off. I've already given my sign off letter, and let's see when they are planning my sign off. Yet the name of my reliever has not come, but I'm just waiting. So right now we are in Australia, we are loading tomorrow. After that we are going to China for discharging, and then to dry dock. So we have only most probably 1 month left for my sign off. So I will try to capture most of the videos and most of the information whatever I can. So okay, see you in another video another time. Till then, enjoy the videos at sea and see you later. Tasvidania.